To perform the overhead triceps extension, you can either use a low cable or band attachment point, or a high cable or band attachment point. In this particular video demonstration, we have chosen to use a high cable attachment point. To execute this exercise, simply place the band, or in this case the cable, behind and over the head. Lean forward so that you have a bend in the back. Place your feet staggered if you must in order to secure a stable base and gain leverage over the weight. Simply elevate your elbows up, over, and behind your head to start the movement. Without moving your upper arm, extend the cable or the band out completely straight over the head into the extended position, flexing the triceps at the top. Return slowly to the starting position without relaxing or allowing the weight to move your arms from their fixed position. The benefit of performing the overhead triceps extension is that it places greater emphasis on the long head of the triceps muscle, and because of the leverage point and greater eccentric stretch from the angle that the arms are in, this exercise allows for heavier weight to be used, which will result in more muscle gain. Aside from other benefits such as trunk stability, this is a must-have movement to develop your triceps muscle.